Suna? Walang iba kundi si Lala Chan! Say hi to Lala Chan, please, hi! Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala, Lala Chan is a 5-year-old Greek girl from Japan. She is lovely and very bubbly. Wow, you're so cute, Lala Chan. Ay, kami dance? Sabi po ni Lala Chan, sino pong mahilig mag-dance? Me! Okay, Lala Chan, lahat sila. May tuturo po kami mini warm-up dance sa inyo. Ano po? We have 2 steps. First is, shake your hands to the right, shake your hands to the left. One more time, shake your hands, and shake your hands. Second step is, swing your arm. Swing and swing. Ayan. Kids, are you excited to dance? Yes, Ate Michelle, music please. Okay, kids, let's dance. Shake, shake, one more. Shake your hand. Swing arm. One more. Turn around. Swing arm. Huh? Kids, ang sports activity natin for today ay my best buddy. Sino po ang nakakalam ng larong my best buddy? Oh, no one is okay. That's A with Ate Me. And Team B with Ate Michelle. Kids, nakikita niyo po ang kaming hula hoop.